Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, yesterday we were trying to understand about to whom does these minerals generally belong to. Do they belong to the surface owner or they belong to the entire nation? Today let us learn about the distribution of coal mines in the state. In Telangana, Telangana has the rich coal mine. Coal is available, coal resource is available here. So this coal is being extracted by a company called as SCCL, Singareni Collieries Company Limited. SCCL, Singareni Collieries Company Limited. This company will extract the coal from coal mines here in this Telangana region, and they sell it to the TS Genco and to other important users of the coal. These coal mines are extensively present in 4 districts of Telangana: Peddapalli, Manchiryal, Bhadradri, Adilabad and Jagityal and Jayashankar districts. And these mines are operated by Singareni Collieries Company Limited. This company was initially set up in 1886 by the then British company. It's a British company generally previously, before the independence, because it was a private British company which used to take out the coal. This was purchased by Nizam of Hyderabad in 1920, of course, and after independence the government of India took over the company, and the SCCL is jointly owned by the government of India and the government of Telangana. Jointly they are owned, and SCCL is currently operating 15 open cast mines, and 35 underground mines are there in 4 districts of Telangana, which employs around 65,000 people. According to 2015, there are 65,000 people working under the Singareni Collieries Company Limited, that is in the coal mines. And there are 15 open mines are there, 15 open cast mining, okay, and 35 underground mines are there, underground mines. And what is the staff? 65,000 people according to 2015 statistics. 65,000 people are working under the mines. And 2 of our teachers also have visited, 2 of our people have visited this coal mine, which is famous, and we have gone there by boarding a bus to Kothagudem, and we have visited the office of Singareni Collieries Limited and took permission to visit the mine in order to understand how the coal will be mined from the underground. Then later we travelled 40 kilometers from Kothagudem and reached the Illandu. Here again we went to the office, the mine office there, and took permission to go down to number 21 incline. So that 21 incline is the mine actually, and we have taken permission to go into the mine. Generally outsiders will not be allowed to go into the mine, it's very dangerous. So we then crossed an iron bridge and over a railway track on which the goods train was standing, and we reached the entrance of the mine, where the safety officer has received us. There will be a safety officer at the entrance. The officer explained that coal is found in thick layers under the ground. If one digs from the ground level, first there will be some soil, after which there will be rocks and water. If we go further deep for about 200 to 300 feet, we will reach the coal layer. So in one layer there can be several layers of the coal separated by rocks and even by the loose soil. So if you go deep, then you can find the coal. Then the safety measures were given to us. He told the safety measures, like the safety officer also explained to us that it was always a risk to go down as the accidents may occur. It is underground, and a tunnel may fall down or get flooded with the water, or there can be fire or suffocation due to poisonous gases may released from the underground. He explained that the mine administration has developed elaborate safety arrangements to prevent such accidents, and that we should also take necessary precautions before going into the mine. So he also explained about how to face such accidents with the help of the safety kit. We wore on the safety kit. That safety kit was put on us, and we got ready to go down. We reported a muster point for online registration, where we need to register ourselves that we are going down. Now we reached the entrance, okay, the threshold of the mine. Actually there is a lift that carries people in and out of the mine. A lift will be there on which you need to sit and you need to go. Okay, safety kit, you know, have you seen the coal miners wearing a torch like a cap? Isn't it? A battery will be there. So, and a jacket, that which radium jacket, that which reflects even in the dark, because underground will be very dark, so it will be very easy to identify. These are the safety kit which were worn by them. And actually there is a lift which can carry the people working in the mine in and out. The two of us and safety manager along with 3 miners entered the lift. The lift in charge closed the sides. Okay, he has closed the sides and gave a signal to underground lift operator. Who is underground lift operator? By ringing a bell using a code. So there will be a bell. 1 means one signal, 2 means another signal, 3 bells means another signal. So this bell will be rung. Generally our lift went down nearly 500 feet down. We went below the ground level. It was like going deep down in a well, as if we are going deep down in a well. We have traveled. We were gripped by fear as the lift rapidly slipped down, and we kept hearing water falling somewhere. The sound we can hear, and the safety officer who was with us explained it is a groundwater. You know why? When we dig, we find the water, this water, the groundwater only. So we have to pump out that water which is coming inside also sometimes. Otherwise it will flood our mine. So and the tunnels, all the water is directed to a pool from which it is pumped out of the mine. He also further told us that the company has a project and planning wing which takes care of designing the mine, these all aspects of the mine. And the lift stopped and we got down. We stepped into a narrow tunnel called a mine shaft, that is called as a mining shaft. So we entered into that mining shaft. We walked in and we noticed electrical lines, hose pipes. You know what are the hose pipes? Even in our school also, for safety measures, the fire department has put the hose pipe through which the water can be sprayed. So those hose pipes carrying water. A narrow rail track was also put underground in order to carry out the the coal. And when coal is mined, it is loaded onto a small wagons which are pulled on these rails to lift upward from where it is taken onto the ground level. Our guide pointed out what we actually walking through a coal layer, that is a total seam, coal seam we call it as. That is a layer of the coal which we call it as a coal seam. You know what is a coal seam? It is a coal layer. Coal seam it is called as. Coal seam. That means coal layer. So they were walking in that coal layer, and there was coal on both sides, and even above and below us. We were surprised to see that walls of the mine were bright. They were very bright. The reason is generally coal will be black in color, but they were very bright. And the guide who was with us, he explained that they painted with dolomite. They have painted that coal with dolomite to prevent the oxidation. When they get reacted to the oxygen, okay, there will be a degradation of the coal. For that reason they have painted this coal with dolomite, and also to enhance the reflection and give us light. If it is black, then it will be completely dark. In order to give the light, they have painted with dolomite, which looks very bright. So about the blasting of the coal, we will see in the next class, children, how the coal will be blasted underground with the bombs and how they bring it out. Thank you, children.